Super soda, a flavor explosion, man.
Oh, I missed it again.
You want some soda?
Yeah, I'm pretty thirsty. That's gross. Oh, God. Man, I want some super soda. Whoa! I see some now.
Super soda, a flavor explosion, man.
Wow, that looks fantastic. Try this. Yum! Wow, that is fantastic. I think it's actually pretty good. It tastes like it. Come on, let's go try.
Yum, that's good.
You know what? It's pretty good, but there are some side effects.
Side effects include nausea, cramps, loss of eyesight, and pooping out rainbows.
Yeah, thank you. Now I'm gonna go lay in that trick.
And possibly death.